Hello, this is Dee with yet another Fruit Tree Nursery tour. So this tour is going to be a little shorter, and it's at a flea market in Orlando, and they have a lot of vendors selling these fruit trees. So since they're different vendors, I have different relationships with each one, so I get quite a few discounts here. Each vendor is different, and they have different prices. So they know me by heart, so they usually also know what I want, and I usually always get a discount from these vendors. So this is going to be just a quick tour right here. After this, I'm going to be slowing down in the local fruit tree tours until I can talk with some people that I know to try to bring you some backyard nursery tours. So, I have to get some permission from them. And these backyard nursery tours, you get some very good discounts, and you'd be shocked how many fruit trees they have in the Central Florida area. Okay, so I get a lot of my fruit trees also from backyard fruit tree nurseries. There's individuals who decided to do nurseries right in their backyard. Okay, so that's going to take a little longer. I will be going into my fall gardening, so I will be slowing down with the fruit tree tour videos. So I'm going to bring you this one right here, and I'll be back at you a little later this year with some more. As you can see, they're trying to sell all different type of fruits here, whether it's the fruits themselves or the fruit trees. So far, all the fruit trees I've actually got from this flea market, the trees are doing well. They're doing very, very well. I've had no problem with these trees and very affordable prices. And again, the more trees you get, the more likely you're going to have a higher discount. People are willing to work with you, especially if you go toward the end of the day. So the majority of these people are out here on Saturday, even though the flea market's open on Saturday and Sunday. Most of the fruit tree vendors are out mostly on Saturday. If you go toward the end, they're more likely to give you a discount because they don't feel like taking all these trees and packing them back up to bring them back. So that's the trick right there. So for all you people that are gardening, how many of you are doing some fall gardening with vegetables? I'm going to be growing different varieties of collard greens, mustard greens, turnip greens, onions, carrots, a variety of different things. So right now I do have enough fruit trees, and I'm getting them ready for the fall and the winter. Some of my fruit trees will be going dormant. Then I'll be able to work on my vegetable gardening. I definitely enjoy these tours throughout the summer, and I will be coming back with some more tours. So right now I'm just hitting you back to back with some, just so you can have some idea of where to come if you ever decide to come to Central Florida or the Orlando area. They also have a lot of fruit tree nurseries in the Kissimmee area, Kissimmee, however you say it, and the St. Cloud area also. So, different places if you want to purchase some trees and you are addicted to fruit trees like I am. My yard is big enough for them. Majority of my trees will be staying in pots. And I have some very big pots. So, yes, they can grow in pots. So, other than that, let's see a quick look over here. And like I said, these people are out every Saturday. I go to the flea market on Saturdays. I went one time on Sundays, and a lot of them were not out as far as the fruit tree nurseries. So Saturday seems to be the big time as far as purchasing the fruit trees. So, just a little info if you come into Central Florida. I hope you have enjoyed all of these local nursery tours that I've been bringing you on. And when I do come back with them, hopefully you will join me again. Other than that, you can continue to follow my channel as I do some fall gardening and continue to see how my fruit trees are growing and some going into dormancy. And I will bring you all that video footage. I would like to thank you for following me, and I appreciate all the viewers. I'm very blessed with all the comments that are nice and positive. And, you know, any questions you have, ask me about the Central Florida area as far as fruit trees and nurseries. You drop them down in the comments below. They have a lot of big box nurseries. I try to go to the discount nurseries. That's how I'm able to afford more fruit trees. So I hope you have a blessed day. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And thank you for all your support and subscriptions. Give me a thumbs up and a like. And hit that notification bell for me. Thank you for supporting me. I'll be coming back with more videos for fall gardening. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.